So I have this car battery here that I was using on my walk-behind lawnmower, and I had it sitting on that pad, bungee corded down, and it slid forward and hit the muffler. So I'm gonna start keeping it in this box once I fix it. It melted through there pretty good, and it's seeping a little bit of fluid out. So I don't want to spend a dime on buying another battery for a friggin' lawnmower, so I'm going to try and patch this. I have some baking soda there to neutralize the acid. I have some CRCRTV silicone. Apparently this stuff is resistant to acids. That's what I read online. And I have this piece of polypropolene plastic that I'm just going to put on there like that, and hopefully that will seal the battery. So first of all, I have nitrile gloves. I'm going to neutralize this acid. Should be good. I'm going to use this saw to cut this excess plastic off so that my patch sits flush. Now I'm going to scuff up the plastic. Even though it looks like it would be better if I put this like this, it would not be because of this bump in the battery. It makes it not right. It's seeping out of the corner. So with this side being nice and flat, it'll make a nice solid seal right there. Gonna scuff up this side too. Alright, I'll let that cure for, I don't know, however long the can says to let it cure for. And I'll be back in like maybe a month, and I'll let you know if this holds up. Well, here is the battery after roughly a month, and it's still holding up. See, I just lifted this battery by this patch with no problem. No leaking. It's holding, it's very sturdy and strong. So, if you need to patch a battery, get yourself some of this. I'll have a link in the description to this. So if this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you next time.